Hey guys, Scott here in the Eastwood garage, and anyone who's ever used a creeper knows you wind up with a pile of parts, sockets, and tools all around yourself, and all too often they either get kicked by accident or stuck under a wheel so you can't move. Today, I've got a perfect addition to your garage, the Eastwood rolling undercar tool tray with 3 distinct sections to place all your tools and fasteners as you work underneath the vehicle. Once under the vehicle, moving around the rolling shop tray is super easy. We've built 4 easy rolling 2-inch swivel casters and a textured grip on each side of the tray. No matter which angle you reach from, you'll be able to get a grip and quickly move around tools and parts with you. Now that you see how easy it is to move, let's talk about what you can put on our tool tray. Measuring in at 17 by 17 inches and 4.5 inches high gives you plenty to work with without being obnoxiously large. We've found that sweet spot in size and strength since you can pack up to 65 pounds of parts as you roll it around. The storage area is broken down into 3 separate container sections to keep nuts and bolts away from sockets and wrenches. This will save you time from digging around through tools to find that 10mm nut. It's already hard enough to find the 10mm socket. Don't make life harder than it needs to be. Of the 2 smaller sections, we place a magnetic bottom in one. I use this section to hold nuts and bolts I've taken out of a job for quick location as I reassemble the project. Speaking of a magnetic, we've made the center of the tray's metal plate for you to be able to stick a magnetic work light without taking up room in one of the containers or setting it on the floor to be knocked over. My go-to light for the center of this tray is the Eastwood puck light. It's plenty bright enough for under the vehicle and can be positioned in any angle once stuck to the tray. Now you'll have light with you at all times. Since it's impossible to work on cars and not get on the floor here and there, save yourself time with the Eastwood rolling shop tray. Load it up with all the tools you need, and instead of scooting in and out from underneath the vehicle, you'll have them ready to go. For more information or to be able to purchase, you can click or tap the button in the corner or follow the link that appears on screen.